Hi, my friends. It's Diane, Material Girl 338. I'm going to be doing, today I canned apples, apple slices so that I can use them for pie filling. So I had like an abundance again of apples and I saved them all. There's some parts that were not good, so I'm going to throw those parts out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make apple cider vinegar, and you guys know that this is really expensive. When I go to Whole Foods, this is like $7, and this little small one is about $6.99. I mean, they're getting ridiculous. They really are, and it is so easy to make that you're gonna say, "I'll never buy it again." So you need apples. I have to go through these because they have some parts that were not good. But basically, I think I threw them out. I threw the parts out that were not, that they look like they weren't good. So this is what you need. You need apples. You can use the core. And I have that apple thing that peels the apples for you. You need distilled vinegar. You need distilled vinegar. You need a little bit of the apple cider vinegar because this has got the mother in it. You need organic cane sugar. And you need a quart jar. I don't know what size this is. This is really big. Or you can use one of the big ones. I have a biggie here. So I'm going to put and then I have a weight that I use for my fermenting, a glass weight. So I rinse out the bottles really good, and then actually what you're supposed to do is put a little bit of vinegar in them and then rinse them out again. Because you want that bacteria to stay in there. It doesn't like soap. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into this jar. Okay, and what I'm going to do is put this on and just fill up my apples. And guys, this is so easy. It's unbelievable. And they get away with it. We let them get away with it because we don't, know how to preserve our foods. These are the cores that I'm putting in. But when I shop, everybody looks at me. I talk to myself, and I yell. I don't yell out loud. I just say, what are they, crazy? I'm not going to give them this much money. They're out of their minds. And I find myself going to like 4 or 5 stores just to go save some money. But I'm spending it in gas. See, this piece is not good. So I have beautiful apple skins here. And this is almost like the same way you make kombucha. I never made kombucha on video, but the next time I do make it, I will. The thing you have to be careful is this generates fruit flies. So you have to keep it, you have to keep a watch on it. I had fruit flies and I was wondering where they were coming from. And then I looked, and I had all my fermented tomatoes, and they were coming from the fermented tomatoes, so I had to put them outside. All right, that should be good. All right, I'll throw a little bit more. And then they were driving me crazy because I didn't want to have fruit flies in my house. a lot of those, the core from the apple peeler thing. Alright, that's good. So now, I'm going to put some of the mother in here. And you know what? Use all of it. Now it's a tablespoon for every cup of water that you're going to use. So, let me get my cup. So we'll start off with 2 cups. That should fill it. That really should fill it. And you need organic sugar. That's important. The other 1 tablespoon per cup. 1, 2. Stir it good. And you need a wooden spoon. Don't use a metal spoon when you're making vinegar because metal will react to the vinegar. And then you're going to be, stirring this during the process of it turning into vinegar. Okay, that's 2 cups of water, which more. 1, 2. Stir it. When I do my kombucha, I will do a video. Alright, and I want to get this remaining sugar into here. Now, the apples have to be under the water. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. Okay, I'm going to put it up to the headspace. And I have a clean weight. And these weights are fabulous. Now, push it down. Now, I'm not going to use they say that you can use a paper thing or a cheesecloth. I'm going to use a cheesecloth, and I'm going to cover it. I normally, do my fermenting with this, but I'm not going to do it with this. So I'm going to put the cover on. I'm going to put a cheesecloth over it. I'm going to wrap it in a rubber band, and then I'm going to stir it occasionally or move it around occasionally, only with a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon. You don't want to make any kind of metal reaction to this, okay? And then in 2 weeks, you'll start to see it's going to change, it's going to bubble, it's going to make all kinds of foam in there. But it should be good. If you start to see black mold, then you got a problem. But this is vinegar. Vinegar has got a lot of bacteria, So it's going to kill any kind of mold. Okay? And this is, you just leave it alone, and then I'll show you the next video on how you filter it.